What's up, Equinox owners? As you can tell, it is cold and rainy here in Corpus Christi today, so we're not going to be out at the beach. So what better than to do a maintenance video? I recently got a question from a viewer about removing and cleaning the coil on the unit, if it was possible to do. Yes, it is. I did check with Minelab on this. It does not go against a warranty or anything like that. So in this video, I'm going to show you how simple it is to remove the cover of the coil, clean it all up, put it back together, and keep your unit in top operating condition. Okay, ready to go? Let's do it. All right, guys, let's get started. We're going to take the unit just like this. We don't need to disconnect anything. We're going to turn it over. And right along the edge right here, if you feel, I don't think you can see it, but right along the edge right here, there's a little lip. And what we're going to do is gently, using finger pressure, we're going to gently work around the outside here, all the way around. And I'm going to cover you here for a second. There, just like this. Gently pop it up. Now the first time you do this, it might be a little difficult, but it does get easier. You can see that it starts to lift up, and then right here and right here, there's a couple of little tabs. We have it kind of loose around the outside. We're going to use this tab right there, this tab right here, and there's another one here, and another one here, and then voila, it comes off. Just like that. There's your coil cover. Now I've already taken this, I took it to the sink, I cleaned it, and I dried it, rinsed it out. I did the same thing with this. Took it and just rinsed it off nice and gentle, dried it all off with a towel. So we're clean here. We're clean here. Now we're just going to reverse the process. Notice this piece, okay? Line these up just like that. And we're going to gently go around, and you can actually hear it snap. Hear that? And then we're going to get these in the middle. Okay, and we're going to go around the whole thing, and we're going to make sure that we get it all. Okay. Okay. Turn it back over. Have a look at it. Go around it one more time. Just make sure that it's all good. It's all back in there. All right. There you go. Well, all right, folks. There you go. See? Very simple. Easy to do. Show you one more time. Get around the edges. Just pop it right up. What you don't want to do is rip it off. Just go nice and slow all the way around. When you get it clean, make sure you put it all back. And you're done. Some people will take silicone. They'll silicone it up. Some people will use like a tape or maybe even like an electrical tape to hold it on. In my personal experience, I haven't needed to do any of that. The cover stays on there. I rinse it off, you know, each time I hunt, and then after every once a week or so, I take the coil cover off and then clean it and put it all back together. Good to go. All right. Thanks a lot. I hope this helped you guys out. And as always,